Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do what you do.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as the title says, this will be a productive day in my life. And first we're starting out with getting my room straightened and in one piece and putting everything where it needs to go, because I didn't do it the night before because I fell asleep while I was on the laptop, which is why the laptop was on the bed. And I'm sure you guys do this too, so don't be saying anything in the comments or in your head, but as long as we're getting everything straightened, so it's looking nice, it's a good start for the day. All day long. So up next is our skincare routine, and I have been slacking on this, but it's not really my fault. I ran out of products and didn't get around to reordering them, so now I have them and I'm trying to get back on that game. So that's what I'm doing. First things first.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. I can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Okay, let's be real. I don't have breakfast every morning, at least not at AM hours, should say. But this day I really just felt so much for pancakes, eggs and bacon. So that's what I did. And this was actually my pre-workout meal, so it kind of helped, kind of was hand in hand, so it's a win-win situation. You guys, please let me know down below if you want to see more of this kind of videos, because I really want to get back into vlogging, but I'm afraid my vlogs won't get views because everyone is here to see my hair. That's how I feel. I feel like everyone is here for my hair. And I really want to vlog more. So if you guys want to see vlogs, I will try to make vlog worthy content. I will do the most. I will go out and actually put myself out there to bring these vlogs for you. So let me know by liking this video and commenting down below. So up next, I am journaling, and I really next to never do this. Well, once in a while, but I try not to do it when my head is not in the right space, which my head was in the right space today because I wanted today to be productive. So I took the time out to do some journaling / manifesting, and you guys should too. And I'm just getting back into the swing of things, and I'm trying to get back consistent in the gym. So today I decided to do abs because my waist is getting out of hand. So I just decided to go in the gym early in the morning and do some ab workouts. So guys, sweat check. Sweat check. But yes, it was actually dripping. I don't know why it wasn't showing up on camera, but dripping. So for my post-workout meal, I decided to do a shake. I've had these Premier protein shakes for a while now, and I decided that they needed to be had. So I just decided to use a whole bottle, which I regret because it made too much. I had some clips from probably like a couple weeks ago from another vlog, and I didn't really like how they look, but I decided to actually sit down and review them so I could probably edit it and post up for you guys as well. Would you take me on the regular? Tell me would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world. This right here is how you know that this was actually a productive day, because I took on washing my head off hair this mane, and I was honestly over it. I wanted to do flat twist outs, but I just couldn't deal. So I just decided to end the day with editing this actual video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and turn on the post notifications. Bye guys.